Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Kushwa. So today we are going to present a Power BI dashboard which is pizza sales dashboard, and this data set I have taken from the Marvin Data Analytics. So this is a very beautiful dashboard. So let's see how I have created and how is the data set. Okay, so let's see. Now you can see this data sets. We have four table. Okay, here you can see we have four table: order details, orders, pizza types, and pizzas. So in the order details, we have details ID, order ID, pizza ID, quantity, and these two column. This one column I have taken from another table. Like you can see how I taken this. Took this column here. Related pizza price. So this column I have taken from the this table. This column I have taken from this table because for the easy calculation. And for the total price I have calculation here, quantity multiply by price. So here you can see the total price. Okay, now let's see the next table, orders. Here you can see order ID, date, time, and month dates we have extracted from the date column, and hours we have calculate. We have also extracted only hours from the time, and weekdays and weekend. These are conditional column to check the sales in weekend and weekdays. So we have add this conditional column, and this is the actual time. We create this column to check the peak hours of our sale. Okay, peak hours of our sale. So now let's come to the third table. This is pizza type. So in the pizza type, you can see the pizza type ID, barbecue chicken, Cali chicken. Okay, name, pizza name, category, what kind of pizza has, classic, chicken, supreme, and ingredients. Okay, now let's see the last table. We have pizza table. Here you can see the pizza ID, pizza type ID, size and price. Okay, so here we have total revenue. These are the measures, important measures. Average order value, average pizza price. Okay, customer per day, pizza per order, revenue, total days, total orders, and total pizzas. So for the total revenue, we have calculate this, card, sum of the total price. Okay, sum of the total price. So we have calculated total revenue. For the total pizzas, we have done like sum of the orders of the quantity, total quantities of the order. So this is total pizzas, and total orders like count of order ID. Okay, average order value, you can say you can see revenue divided by total orders. So in this way we can calculate our average order value. And let's come to the customer per day. Customer per day, we can calculate total orders divided by total days, and average pizza per order. Then average pizza per order equal total pizza divided by total orders. Okay, so these are the measures that we have calculated, and so we have taken all the cards in the left side. Okay, this is the category of pizza, chickens, classic, supreme, veggie. Okay, these are the category. And if we see the quantity wise size, so here we are we can see a large pizza we are selling maximum, then medium, then small, then extra large. Extra large and extra large we are selling very less number. You can see 401 extra large, and only 19 pizza in extra large, double extra large. Okay. So the mainly three type of pizza we are selling most: large, medium, and small. If we see the top five best selling pizza, so these are the top five best selling pizza. Okay, these are the top five worst selling pizza. So I think my suggestion would be need to improvement on this type of pizza by giving offers to the customer, or we can say need to quality in this uh, pizzas. So these can be top. Okay, sale will go high. If we see the peak hours of sale, here 12 p.m. You can see 12 p.m. we have peak hours of sale. We have order 2088. Okay, average order 2088 in 12 p.m. in the uh, midday. Then if the you here you can see the sale is going down. Then here you can see at 5 p.m. sale is going up until 6 p.m. Then it's 7 p.m., 8 and 9 it's going down. Okay, here you can see 1 p.m. Okay, here is also it's peak hours of the sale, and 10 p.m. it's going very down. Only 4 for 6 order pizza we have ordered. Okay, so here you can see the quantity by category. So we are selling mostly classic pizza and supreme veggie and chicken. We are selling equally. Okay, you can see equally, but we are selling 24.17% supreme, 23.56 veggie, and 22.9% chicken pizza, and classic pizza we are selling 29.98%.